Managing a hospital means balancing patient care, staff efficiency, financial performance, and medical resources, all at the same time. Without real-time visibility, critical decisions can become slower and less effective. Introducing the Hospital Management Dashboard in Power BI by Global Data 365, designed to provide healthcare providers with a complete view of hospital operations and performance in one centralized platform. The dashboard is organized into 5 interactive pages, allowing administrators and healthcare managers to easily navigate between operational, clinical, workforce, financial, and medical performance insights. The Hospital Overview page provides a high-level snapshot of hospital operations. Monitor key metrics, including total patients, number of doctors, number of nurses, and bed occupancy rate. Analyze monthly admissions and discharges, patient demographics, age groups, ward occupancy, and doctor experience levels. These insights help healthcare administrators monitor capacity, improve patient flow, and optimize hospital performance. Understanding patient behavior and treatment outcomes is essential for delivering quality healthcare. The Patient Insights page highlights total outpatients, inpatients, emergency cases, and average patient stay. Detailed patient profiles provide visibility into demographics, care history, and billing information. Visual analytics reveal patient trends by month, feedback scores, and department-level activity, helping providers improve patient satisfaction and treatment effectiveness. Healthcare success depends on workforce efficiency. The Staff Performance page tracks total staff count, doctors, nurses, attendance status, and overall utilization percentage. Managers can evaluate staff allocation across departments, shifts, and roles, while identifying opportunities to improve workforce productivity and resource planning. With real-time visibility into staffing performance, hospitals can ensure optimal patient care with efficiency. The Finance Evaluation page provides a complete overview of total revenue, pending bills, total expenses, and profit percentage. Track patient transactions, monitor payment status, and analyze revenue versus expense trends across departments. These financial insights help administrators control costs, improve collections, and strengthen overall hospital profitability. The Medical Efficiency page focuses on treatment outcomes and resource utilization. Monitor total medicines, stock sold, available quantity, and surgery success rate. Analyze medicine inventory movement, stock availability, surgery trends, and department-wise surgical performance. By tracking healthcare resources and clinical outcomes in real time, hospitals can improve patient care while ensuring efficient use of medical supplies and services. The Hospital Management Dashboard by Global Data 365 transforms complex healthcare data into actionable insights. From patient management to financial monitoring, this solution empowers hospitals to deliver better care to people. Transform your healthcare analytics. Book a personalized demo today.